In this video I will be showing you how to construct a perpendicular, but first we need to draw a line. In order to construct the perpendicular, we need to extend the line. We need to also draw a semicircle. And also cut arcs this way. Finally, we can now draw the perpendicular. Your colleagues will appreciate you if you share this video with them. My WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen. You can always message me whenever you are having a question or an assignment, and immediately, I will send a video of the solution to you for free.